good experience in public
Probably
service or
for today
government
it's not
institution?
important. For
Okay. I don't want to tell that
five
because
year
I don't have
later
other
it will be so sweet probably.
service. But I have two experience, different experience. One bad experience and the other is good experience. This is not a government institutions. When I bought an Axio product laptop, yeah, I bought Axio product because I think that Axio is made in Indonesia, so I want to love Indonesian product. That is but when I use this product, my computers, it could be not more than 1 year. It's broken, so I have to repair. I bring my laptop to Axio Center here in Banda Aceh in Penayung. When I went there, they serviced me. They asked me what's happened in my laptop, and they tried to repair the open my laptop. And for the first time they just replaced the keyboard. The keyboard of laptop, they just replace it, so it's good for the first time. And for the second time, when I have to repair again my laptop, I went there, and at that time, they give me a bad service. Okay, some part of my laptop they have to change. Okay, the products there's no products in that store, so they tell me that I have to wait. Okay, for getting the product. Okay, and I asked them how much I pay. Okay, and we deal. Okay, but day by day I wait for calling from him. Okay, and they never called me anymore. I just go there and they ask me I have to wait again. So that is a bad service. Actually, I want to love Indonesian product, but what happened? Okay, and again, good service that I got when my school that work for students who want to be a steward or also hospital service. And at my school, Smart Friend company cooperate with us. Okay, so we put product of Smart Friend. We put on the gallery of our at my office of school. And again, they give us like tablet, okay, tablet iPod, from Smart Friend. So I use that, and one day after I use that, I broke my tablet. Okay, I using hand like this, and maybe because I don't wear the times when I want to sit, and I didn't wear there is like tablet on my bedroom. So I sit and not sit. When I sit beside it, and I put my hand like this. So it's broke. Okay, it broke. I can use it, but it's broke. So I don't want to repair at the time. So I use it again, but there is other part that's broken. The slot or memory card. Yeah. So I come to Smart Friend Center